If you use a commercial AI note-taker, you are likely paying around $20 a month to send your team's most sensitive conversations directly to a third-party server. The convenience of cloud APIs means your data leaves your machine. But with the right setup, you can run open-source software that keeps every word recorded and processed locally. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to build a fully functional, private AI meeting assistant from scratch. Taking ownership of the transcription infrastructure shifts data sovereignty back to you, removing the security risks inherent in third-party storage. This is our system architecture. We will start on the left with the input and transcription phase. First, download the open-source local audio application. Once the download completes, extract the contents of the zip file into a dedicated folder on your drive. Windows users should note that the default security protocols will likely flag and block these downloaded executable files from running. To fix this, right-click the extracted files, select Properties, and check the Unblock box, or run the unblock command directly in your PowerShell terminal. Now run the startup script. When the terminal asks you to choose a Whisper transcription model, select either the base or medium option. These models are highly accurate for speech, but they require less processing power, so they won't stall out on a standard laptop. Check your terminal window. Once you see a message confirming the server is running on port 8178, the setup is successful. Because Whisper is running locally on the device, the entire transcription process is now insulated from network outages and corporate surveillance. Next is the analysis phase. We need to connect the raw transcript to a summarization block that can structure the data. Head to the Ollama website and download the correct installer for your operating system. Ollama acts as a lightweight runtime for local large language models. Essentially, this is the brain of your assistant. Open a new terminal window and run the command to download a model like Gemma or Mistral. Now tell your meeting application to use this brain. Set the LLM provider to local Ollama and enter localhost:11434 as the URL. Select the System Audio plus Microphone option, hit the record button, and speak a few sentences to test the input. To verify the system is private, disable your Wi-Fi connection. You will see that the transcription and analysis continue to run entirely offline. Connecting these components proves that you no longer need a continuous internet tether to handle the heavy computational lifting of speech recognition and text analysis. The final phase is composition and output, where raw text is transformed into formatted meeting minutes. To get professional notes, you need specific prompting. Strategy 1 is explicit instructions. Command the AI to write a 3-bullet summary to filter out noise. Strategy 2 is reference text. Command the AI to rely strictly on the transcript, locking out outside data. Strategy 3 is breaking down complex tasks. Instead of one big request, have the AI generate an outline first, and then run a separate prompt to extract action items. Strategy 4 is asking for a chain of reasoning. Have the AI explain why it identified a point as a key decision to ensure the logic is sound. Strategy 5 is using external tools. Once you have this clean text, you can later pipe it into automation platforms to route tasks to your team. Finally, Strategy 6 is defining a test suite. Compare your local output against a standard meeting template to ensure the quality remains consistent. When all these strategies are applied, a massive block of messy conversational text instantly reorganizes into clean, structured meeting minutes. These 6 strategies refine the local model's output, giving you a consistent format that provides the same level of utility as a paid subscription service. You have successfully transcribed a meeting and generated professional minutes without transmitting a single byte of data to an external server. This data shows that running models like Whisper in the cloud can incur high compute fees, costing up to $1.25 per hour. By self-hosting locally, you bypass these cloud charges while completely removing enterprise security risks. If you have a powerful machine, you can continue experimenting by downloading even larger, more capable language models through the Ollama platform. Owning your AI infrastructure guarantees absolute privacy for your data. Subscribe for the next steps on integrating this system with local encrypted document vaults.